The health sciences regulatory landscape is quickly changing, becoming stricter and more technically challenging. If you've ever wondered how you'll understand regulations around the globe, NSF International's comprehensive e-learning program is what you need. Available course topics include global medical device standards, the European Union's medical device and in vitro diagnostic regulations, the medical device single audit program, and comprehensive instruction on the regulations for the United States, Australia, Brazil, Canada, and Japan. Avoid scheduling conflicts or expensive travel. NSF's e-learning program offers you the flexibility to learn at your own pace, on your own schedule, without costly instructor fees. Our courses offer instruction you can't find anywhere else online, with quality unmatched in the industry. Each interactive course includes knowledge checks to ensure comprehension and final competency assessments. The depth and breadth of our global experts, along with long-standing relationships in the international standards arena, ensures that we keep abreast of global trends and pending revisions. So rest assured that in a constantly evolving regulatory landscape, NSF is here to keep you informed and prepared.